Sip a lot of potion, made me like this, I don't know. Is it my emotions, got me feeling highs and lows? Took me time to focus, found my motion on the road. Highs and lows, and I wasn't gained up, now I know. Picking up dial tone, saying I was wrong. If I feel abducted, maybe she'll leave me alone. If I sip this poison, slide the beat and slide the water. Sipping toxic water with the soda, love the soda. Breaking down my fees and her walls kindly. She gon' pay the fee and smoke this purple child, please.
Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm so excited. I want to share with you something that I've just received, and I'm so excited, and this will not have been possible if it was not for you guys. So I really appreciate you for the support that you have been showing me, for the love, for the comments, for the likes, for the shares. I appreciate so much, so much. For my premier gang guys, this will not have been possible if it was not for you guys, so I'm grateful 100%. So my pin is finally here, and I still can't believe it. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful. Gosh, I am so grateful. I'm so grateful for all that support my content, and for those who we meet up on the road and say hi and like you appreciate my content, what I'm doing. I'm so grateful. The love is so immense, and I honestly can feel it. So yeah guys, thank you so much. So yeah, we got our pin, and I also got my nails done, so that's how they look. Yeah, I don't know which color this is, but I love them and they're pretty. So yeah. But I got my carpet from the car wash, and I want to show you. So this is the old carpet that I had before, the gray one, and I feel like it's not complementing the coffee table. So I want you guys to let me know in the comment section what you think, because honestly I don't know how I feel about the carpet and the coffee table. I want something that if I switch up the carpet, the gray carpet, the table will still be okay. If I put back the old carpet, the table is still gonna look fine. So let me know, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you what I'm talking about, because I feel like I'm rambling now. So yeah guys, so this is the old carpet I was telling you, and this matches well with the seats because it has some shades of gray and some shades of blue, and it's cream in color. So basically it's a cream and navy blue and bluish carpet. But now see the table, I feel like it's not matching. I don't know. So yeah, that's how it looks, and I feel like it's not matching. Let me know in the comment section kindly what you think, because I'm already thinking of changing the coffee table again. Where? And I also got a bag, pretty cute and small, tiny. So yeah, I'm ready for a date. So kindly take me for a date, any date. So yeah, this is how it looks. It has a sling, so you can carry it the way you want. And yeah, I got this for 1800 bob. Pretty cute. Pork. So I've already washed my pork with some lemon, and these are some fries. I've already chopped up the potatoes. I have some yellow capsicum, green hoho. I have some spring onions mixed with the red onions, and I have garlic paste, and I have blended tomatoes, and my oil is right there. I'll go ahead and fry the pork until it's golden brown without adding anything else, and meanwhile my fries are in the other end. So yeah,
it's a Friday night, turned on all her lights, ooh, ooh. And
So once your pork is well cooked, you can now go ahead and add in your garlic paste. You can add in the spices that you use, and later on you're gonna wait until they're well cooked, well fried, and you can add in the tomatoes, the green capsicum, the yellow capsicum, and let them cook well as well. Then we're gonna add in some soup because you don't want the pork to be too dry. Then we're gonna later on mix with the fries. So this recipe is so quick to fix and it usually is so bomb. So I would recommend, if you have not yet tried, you can try it with beef, you can try it with pork. So yeah,
she'd rather stay home, curled up in her bed with a book instead. But ooh, life's outside her front door. Clips up her hair, takes one look in the mirror, and it's never been clearer that this is her song. Just another hopeless romantic caffeinated.
let me know in the comment section if this is the type of recipe that you will try at home, and if you do, let me know how it turned out, if you loved it. And yeah guys, so like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out. So yeah, we had our lunch and it was so yummy, and we had some multi-fruit, the best combo ever. So that's that. Moving on, I'm now in the kitchen. I want to clear the dishes. Of course I was in the kitchen while I was cooking, but now I want to do a deep cleaning of the kitchen. So yeah guys, I'll later on sort the cabinets, so stick around, watch till the end, and don't forget to like. This is how we grow, so like and subscribe.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine, and you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days.
So for cleaning the fridge, I normally use bicarbonate of soda. I mix with vinegar and a little bit of water. So if you have a spraying bottle, the better, but I didn't have, so I dipped in a kitchen towel and wiped the fridge. So yeah,
Just your simple loving is everything. Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go our separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go?
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on ring.
so the fridge compartments were all dry, so I'm just putting them back.
Staying home when you're working late again. Quiet phone, it's already 10 p.m. This is new, getting used to missing you. Been a while, usually we're so in tune. Ooh, you got me. Ooh, wishing we could be on the same page, but I know this is a phase, and honestly, I'm alright on my own. I enjoy having some time alone, but when it gets late, I miss you so much when you're at work, so I'll try to stay awake till you come home, till you come home. Call me up, tell me about your day. I just feel like you're a planet away among the stars. I'm sure it's pretty from your view. Just look down, remember we're waiting for you. Ooh, you got me. Ooh, wishing we could be in the same place, but I know you're doing great, and honestly, I'm alright on my own. I enjoy having some time alone, but when it gets late, I miss you so much. When I only came over 'cause all my friends said I should get out more. Smile and nod at all of the small talk, but keep looking for the door. Then cut to you, cross the room in your vintage Levi's. What do I do with this view? Wait, hold up, is this a meet cute? Oh my god, like Rachel McAdams in the Notebook, 'cause I keep on staring and the whole world stops. Theme song is playing, just a Friday night, but it feels like the start of the rest of my life. The lights and cue the slow motion camera close up on your face. It's almost a little too perfect. Heartbeat starts picking at base. Then cut to me, and I see our whole life together. What? Don't blame me, just a dream. Oh, this is absolutely a meet cute. Oh my god, like Rachel McAdams in the Notebook, 'cause I keep on staring at the whole.
So now I want to deal with this section, and this is where I put most of the pots, most of my sufurias, my basins. So yeah, and the reason why I've put paper on one of those pots is because I don't want any of them coming in contact with each other, because they are gonna scratch and we don't want that. So yeah,
Tell everybody we won't talk for hours and hours. You'll always surprise me with flowers. This is it, I'm done, it's over. Go ahead, tell everybody. Oh my god, to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over. I never expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks.
So next I'm tackling this space where we store most of our plates and cups. So as you can see, I used the rack to hold the plates instead of the pot's lid, and because reason why is because I didn't want the pots to come in contact with each other, as I said earlier. So yeah, now I'm gonna mop the floors and see what's next. So I'm probably gonna make dinner, so stick around.
To buy the moment here in the sedation, idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be.
So for dinner, I'll be making some ugali, some fish, and some cabbage. Of late, we have been having some stomach problems whenever we eat kales or spinach. I don't know if ni dawa naeka mingi or something, but everyone complains, including me. So that's why I'm making some cabbage, and yeah.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over. I never expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? Out of mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a.
So for my ugali, I always boil my water with a kettle first before transferring it into the sufuria. I find it way easier and faster. So let me know in the comment section if you boil your water with a sufuria or you boil first with a kettle. So yeah, and I always add blue band to my ugali, so that's a must.
All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control.
not so good when it comes to making fish, but I tried. If I was to rate it, I would rate it at 8/10 because the soup dried, but it was still yummy. The flavors were there. So now we have come to the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and leave me a comment down in the comments section. Let's interact more. So yeah guys, as always, vibes and inshallah. Till next time, bye.